9 global movements under 9 years of age are quietly redesigning the future of lifestyle. Soul Forest is building community-owned regenerative ecosystems that restore forests while creating local livelihoods. Pangaya combines material science and design to create a more conscious, sustainable fashion future. Typology is reshaping skincare through minimalist, transparent formulations and a less but better philosophy. Mad Happy is turning mental well-being into a cultural movement through fashion, storytelling, and emotional openness. Geeky transforms climate awareness into measurable everyday behavioral change. One Earth maps global ecosystems and supports large-scale restoration strategies for biodiversity and climate resilience. 7 Clean Seas is removing ocean plastic pollution while building circular systems that prevent waste from entering marine ecosystems. Climeworks is pioneering direct air capture systems that permanently remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Open Forest Protocol enables transparent, community-driven systems for monitoring and protecting forests. The world is quietly changing. Brands, communities, movements building a more conscious future from every corner of the world. If you like what we share, follow for more.